yesterday's class we started about, we are talking about the functions, that is order by class. At last we discussed, isn't it? So what is the use of order by class? Can anyone say? What's it use?
Sorting, sir.
Sorting. That is, we can sort in
It will use it for
either
sorting.
ascending order or descending order. Defaultly, it will sort in the ascending order. Okay, that is the way.
Ascending.
And today we are going to see. We already started to see the string functions. There are three categories: are the string function, mathematical function, date and time functions. Okay. So in the string function, we discuss about the char, concat function, lower, upper, substring, ltrim, rtrim, and trim function we discussed, and instr, that is equal to the find function in Python, that we have discussed. At last, today we are going to discuss about the length function. I hope that, isn't it? Am I right? I think till yesterday we discussed up to this one. Is it? Hello.
Yes.
Yeah, fine. Okay, let you see. Now today we are going to see about the length function. It is same as we are used in the Python length function, len function. Sorry. Okay, the same function. It is used to find the length of the character. Of course, in the example, output is 7. It's wrong. It should be 6 because Python is 6-letter character. That's what it should be, 6. Okay, the example which is given in the slide is wrong. The output is, it should be 6. Okay. That is the use of length function. Okay, sorry, length function. Here we should use length. In Python only length function. Okay, and next one is, as you seen in the same Python, left and right function. The left function is used to just slicing. It is also doing the slicing, but in different way. You can see this directly. We can deal the example. Select left. The left is a function. We should pass the string, or else the what is the thing? Field name. Okay. 2 if you give means, what is the thing? First onward, left side onwards, it will display 2 characters. Okay. Left side means starting of the string. Okay. That is first 2 characters is what? That is K and B. That's what it will display. Okay. Right function
KB.
from the reverse. Yeah. From the reverse side. That is the last, from the last side, it will count the 3 and it will print in the left to right order. You can see. Again, the same text is given. The string is given KB space OEF. Okay. So 3 we given. So which is the reverse side third character means O. Then OEF. So it will be in the print in the reverse order. That is in this order. Okay. That is the use of right function. Okay. These are all the string functions are there. Yes, please. Yeah.
Sir, here space also considered as a.
Of course, space
One
also
character.
considered as one character. Everything, yes. Space also considered as one character. Suppose I given 4 means, what will be the output? KB space OEF comma 4. If I give means, what will be the output?
Yes, sir. Space OEF.
Very good. So that will consider as character. Good. So I hope you understand this, and let me go to the next function, that is numeric function. This is also very familiar function for you. That is, we already done the concept. You use the concept in Python, but here function name is differ, and how we are using is that is different. Okay. The mod function, that is modulus function, modulo division. That is, it will return the reminder. Okay. Mod of number and divisor. Okay. Number means which number we need to divide. Okay, and divisor, that is which one we are going to divide with the divided. Okay, for example, 10 comma 5 means 1 5 is 5, 2 5s are 10, so remainder 1. So output will be 1 because remainder is 1. No, that's it. And power function in Python, what function is used? Here in SQL, power we are using, but in Python, what we used? Pow function, POW function. Have you remembered it? Where the POW function is defined?
Power function, sir. Maths.
That's
Math
Python
model.
I'm asking, man. POW only the function name, no?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that is defined in math module, MATH module. That is math module. It is defined. But here we no need to import any module in order to use this. Directly we can use it. Power of. But there POW, here what is the thing? Power. You can see B comma P means B is a number, P is a power. That is exponential value. 2 power 5. That is 2 into 2 into 2. Like this, multiplying the
32.
2 into 5. Yeah, 32 will be the answer. Like this. And round function. Okay, round function, it is used. Same function we use it in the Python in the same name. Okay, it will round off the value. It will give the very next significant digit. Let you see this example. Round off 11.589. Suppose the number is goes like was 5 digits after the decimal. Okay. If you want to show only the 2-digit means we can give comma 2. If you use means what will happen? You can see the output 11.59 is there because 8 is what? I mean next to 8 is what? 9. 9 is what? Greater than 5. So it will add the 5. In the basic math and all we learned no the same thing. Yeah. So 11.59 will display. Second thing you can see 12.999 is there. 2-digit only we asked to. Just 9 means above than 5, greater than 5, no. So next to significant digit we can add 1, that is 0 will come. So that is 13.0. We can round off.
13.
That is the round off function, rounding off the values. Okay, which is the use of round
Sir.
function. Yeah. Yeah, somebody is asking the question. Is anybody?
Sir, here we I am only sir.
Yeah, yes.
Sir.
Yes, yes.
Here when we put in that place 2 instead of 2 we put 0 means then what will come?
Correct.
It will
What is
make
it? It will only yeah, of course, a good question. It will only display the integer value. Have you understand?
Okay, sir.
Okay, actually the syntax should be we should give 1 to some number. That is the syntax. 1 to some number we need to give. That is the use of, or else we can use int no. That's what. Okay, good question. You can give it.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Yeah. Then next is the sine function. I mean sine function. If you want to display the negative sign means, we can use the function. Positive means we no need to use. As you know that plus 10 means there is a 10 is denoting positive number only. So if you want to wantedly, if you want to tell -1, minus you want to print means sine of -10. If you print means we will get what? 10. Sorry, -1. That's what. -10 we will get it. It is a mistake. 1 after that 0 want to be there. Okay, it's not printing. After the cursor 0 want to be there. Okay. Then sqrt function. They same function. Square root function. As you already know that. Okay, math dot sqrt of like because if you pass the value means it will tell the square root of the value. Okay. That is you can see the example 144. 12 is the square root of the 144. So that's you know that. Okay. And next one is truncate function. Truncate function, it is a little bit similar to round function, but entirely it is it is different. Okay. Truncate function actually what is the thing? It won't do the round off. Output is wrong. 7 9 it won't do. 7 8 only it will print. That is how many digits we want to display. Truncate means stop. That is slicing or cutting the extra things. Truncate means stopping. Okay, or else dividing. Okay, or else deleting. Okay. For example, let you see 15.7890 like this. If this number is there, comma 2 if you give means truncate of then values comma 2 if you give means what will happen? The 2 means 2-digit only it will show, but it won't do round off. Actually, in this output it is wrong. 7 8 want to display. 7 9 is not there. 7 8. Okay, this is the truncate function. And these are all the functions in the new mathematical function.
Sir, truncate means it will simply cut the numbers in the decimal points, sir.
Which how many digits we want to stop? That is 2-digit only. If you want to display means 2-digit only. It will display.
Yes, sir.
Remaining number, if it is means it won't display. It won't doing the round off also. If you want to do the round off means we should use what round function. That is the thing. Okay. And let me see the next function, date and time function. Yeah, yes, Ranjit. Yeah, asking something. Please ask.
In round means it will see more than 5 or less than 5 like that.
Yeah, of course it will round off. It will rounding the last digit into the nearest number. Okay, students, 1 more minute is there. Rejoin it very quickly. So we will discuss within the SQL. Literally, we will see it. Okay, rejoin quickly. It's about to complete. Anyhow, just have a glance about this numerical functions. Just go through the syntax and description example till the meeting is gets in. So as we discussed in the last session, we are going to discuss about the date and time function. Okay, so that is another one important and new one to you. Okay, Jayveera Pandian, better you can stop the video, sit properly and listen the class. Okay. Okay, let you see this date and time function, current date function or current date function. Okay, current underscore date function. Okay, any one word we can, there is any one function name we can use. That is the current date function is used to just return the current date. What is the system date? It will take from the system time only, system date only it will take. So it will display the current date function. Okay, date function, it is used to, we need to give, for example, if you pass this argument, you can see this year, month, date, time, minutes. If you pass means it will tell the date alone. Okay, month means if you pass the entire date, that is the entire date means year, month, date. If you pass, it will tell the month. Year also, it will return the year, but we need to pass it. Year function simply we use means it won't tell the year, but we need to pass the argument 2000. For example, 2020 -09 -02. If you give means it will tell 2020. Okay, just for there is no use of it, but anyhow I'm saying sometimes this functions are all useful in your project. For example, if you are doing the invoice, any date anywhere, if you want to mention the date means in the Python, we can use this function month, year, date. For example, if you are for warranty for the product, if you are using the invoice generation or any customer billing, anybody doing means I think some of them apted given the proposal for that. So for that purpose you can use. Okay, semester based 6 months, once you want to calculate the month, year means you can use the function. Okay, definitely for theory purpose, I mean the exam purpose, I'm saying these functions and all definitely they will ask, because we people, I mean the students will not concentrate more about the functions. Okay, so CBSE will target this area in order to reduce your mark. Okay, so this functions and all very easy function, but we should concentrate it. I already said that. Okay, so this is the thing. And next thing is day of month. For example, you return the value 1 to 31. For example, this month, what is the day of the month? It is second day, no? In this month, September month. Yesterday is first, today is 2 means 2, second day. For example, it is the 30th day means 30. Okay, just for thing, it's one of the function also, the day of the month. Day of week. Day of week means which week, that is which day that is. For example, Sunday means how it will return means you can see Sunday means 1, it will return. So suppose the today day is Tuesday means 3, it will return. Monday means 2, Tuesday means 3, Wednesday means 4, likewise. Saturday means 7. Okay, likewise is there. I forgot to tell about the day name. You can see this. This is a very important function. Okay, if you pass the date means you can see 2018 hyphen 2, there is 04. For example, if I pass this 2020 hyphen 0902, it will return Wednesday. I will show to you. I will show to you 1 minute. For example, what is the thing? Day time. What is the function? Day name. Okay, day name is the function. So select day name function. Okay, how to pass? We should pass the argument, no? So for example, today day I want to know means I should pass like that. Okay, 02. If I pass like that means then it will tell the Wednesday. Today date is day name. It will return these things. Have you understand? Have you understood this
As
one?
per computer only to display.
Computer only means I didn't get it.
If in case I have in my computer today date was 2/10/20, I have wrongly written.
Wrongly, of course, it will take the computer system time only. It won't take anything. It will take from system time. So suppose in your computer the date and time is wrong means it will tell the same thing only. Okay, it will tell also the wrong thing only. It will take from the OS, that is from operating system, which we mentioned in our operating system. In the BIOS settings, time and date is there. That is the system date and time. So that time, that details only it will access it. Okay. And let me see this day of the month. I already said, for example, day of month. Okay, we should pass the argument. That is also I will just tell. Select this is all dummy table. Okay, day of month. This is the value. So if I pass means then it will tell 5th. For example, I pass the 5th, so it is 5th day. Just which day of the month? 5th is what? Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Day of month, of course, month. Okay, day of week means 1 means Sunday. Today is based on the number, and last one is very easy. You can see very interesting. Day of year. Return the value 1, 2, 3, 66. That means per year there is 1 year. what is the thing? How many days are there? 365 days are there. Suppose if it is leap year means 366 will be the days, no? I mean, number of days, no? So this function, which function? Day of year function. Okay, the day of year function will return which date we current, the today date is today. What is the day of the year? For example, let me check for our thing.
Seconds.
Yeah, select day of year. Sorry, day of year. We should pass the date. Okay, 2020-09-02. So I just pass the today value. Let me see it. Okay, today is 246th day in the year. See, it is a little bit interesting also. Okay, so if you want to calculate some anything, why I am telling this thing with example means it is somehow you can implement in the SQL. That is, of course, we should use the SQL. That is mandatory. I already said that Python and SQL we should use in the project. While you are using this SQL, these are all the functions are available in order to display any value means you can use it by using the code. Very simple code, no? In Python, if you want to display the time means you need to install OS module and you need to install time module. Am I right? So both the modules we need to install, then only we can access the system time. Okay, in Python I'm saying. But in SQL, very easy, just one function, day of year. So that we are printing, no, we can pass the query also. That is very easy I'm saying. Okay, you can use this method also. It's optional. We can, wherever it is needed, you can use this.
Sir.
Okay. Yes, please.
Sir, day name, when we give which date also it will say the day was, sir.
I didn't get to your
Now,
question.
sir,
Today pass
for
the
example,
date
now,
means it will tell what is the day, today day it will display.
yes, sir.
Yeah,
When
of course.
we give
Yes, man.
in
That's
future
very,
day,
see, day name function.
also.
That's what I shown the example also, no, day name function.
Yes.
Yeah, first thing, for example, I passed the date, today date is 2020-09-02 I passed. It is Wednesday.
Okay,
It
sir.
only returns.
Yes. Sir,
Yes. Yes, I'm
sir,
hearing.
instead of 2020, we will put as 2050 also. We can identify it, which day it is.
I understood.
It
I
will be very
understood.
useful.
Yes, yes. I will check your query. Okay. For example, you are asking like that. Okay. What is the day name? No. So let me ask. Okay, you are having calendar. No. Let me check in the 10th. For example, by seeing that we can check some authentication. No. So let me check it. 10th, 2010,
Yes.
20. What is the 5th day? I mean, 5/10/2020 is falls on which day? You can check your calendar next month. You take it and check it. It's Monday. It is returning. Is it right? Today I will also check my calendar. Computer also.
Yes,
Next month
sir.
returning.
Monday, sir.
Of course, it's Monday only. It's correctly it is telling.
Yes, sir. Now only I saw
Right?
it.
So
Yes,
2050
sir.
also it will show, man. Okay. Okay, that is fine. So of course,
Interesting query, sir.
where we can, for example, any due date you want to tell to your customer or whatever thing, it's based on your project. For example, you want to pay the amount. For example, anything means 2020 10 sorry 05/10/2020 Monday. If you want to calculate the day with the Python code means you need to write a lengthy code. But see, just one function is there, day name function. Likewise, many functions also there. Default, I mean. Predefined functions also there in Python, but anyhow SQL it's very easy, just only one line. No, that's what I'm saying. Okay, let me go to the slide.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so these things and all you can use in somewhere wherever it is possible, wherever it's needed. Required thing means you can take it. Okay, I think that's all. I think one of the girl asked me one doubt. I think long back. I just now remember that by seeing the question. Ranjit is asked the question. Likewise, daytime somebody's asked that one code, send the code in WhatsApp and ask the explanation. I said that time I was class or meeting something, I had something, I said that I will tell later. Somebody is there means you can ask now or else after the class. After the class I'm having another class after the 4 o'clock. Okay, let me go to the next thing, and last thing is the now function and the sysdate function. Okay, the now function and sysdate function, both the function is same but little difference is there. Okay, first we will say what is the, we will discuss what is the use of now function and the sysdate function. You can see return both current date and a time at which the function is executes. At what time we execute the function, that time it will return which one? Now function. Okay, now means it will tell the current date as well as time. Okay, Sysdate function, system, that is system date. Sysdate function also return the current date and time, but it will tell very exactly. Okay, what is the difference means here in this slide very beautifully they given. Okay, I was also very amazed by seeing the very simple explanation. It will be very clear also. You can see now function return the date and time at which function was executed. That is at what time the function was executed. Okay, even if we execute multiple now function with the select that is we are using the query means it will return the same date or same time only, whereas system date sysdate function is always return the date and time in which sysdate function is started execute. Let me see example. If you see means you can understand. 1 minute pa. MySQL select now comma sleep 2, that is sleep means we are waiting for wait time 2 minutes. If you want to wait means we can use sleep function. Okay, sleep of 2, again now function we are executing, so it is returning the date and time. No, date is same, that is nothing. 2018 12 4 you can see the time is 10 hour 26 minutes 20 seconds. After 2 minutes what should be the time? 26 minutes
22 seconds.
22 seconds. No, but what is it, what it is displayed? The same time only displayed, it is not updated the time. Okay, that is the now function. Okay, but select system, I'm sorry, system date function, you can see the second example which is in the white color. Okay, select sysdate function, we are using the sleep 2 minutes, I'm sorry 2 seconds. Again we are executing the same query, sysdate function. You can see this 10 hour 27 minutes 8 seconds. After 2 minutes, of course 10 seconds, no, it will display the exact time. Have you understand? So sysdate function
Yes.
always return the proper time
Sir,
instead of now function. Yes, please. Yeah.
in now function, in sleep of 2 seconds, no sir.
Hmm.
Instead of that, I am giving 1 minute.
That 1 minute we cannot give, 60 we need to give. Always it will
Okay,
take the
sir.
argument in the, yeah.
60 seconds I am giving, sir. Then also it will print 10, 26, 10,
Yes,
26. Or
yes. After that also it will print 10 minutes 10 hours 26 minutes only. That is in the single statement I am saying. It is a one statement, no? For example, second time you are
yes, sir.
executing the statement means it will tell the another time. Okay, but in single time, what is the meaning? No, what I am coming to tell, now function first is executed, no, first now function, so it will
Yes,
hold
sir.
in its memory. Second time, if you are using the now function in the same statement, it won't execute. Previously it was executed, no, that value
It
only
will
it will.
refer the previous memory. Yes, sir.
Of course, that is the thing. What it is hold, it will simply display. But system date, you can see first time system date function is called, it will hold the date and it will display. It is in memory. Okay. We are sleeping for 2 minutes, 2 seconds or even 2 minutes also, whatever thing. That is 180 seconds or 120 seconds we are giving also. After whenever we are again executing the system date, it won't show the what is in memory. Again the function will be called, it will take the current date. I mean live date, live time. Okay, what's in your computer, that is very important. If what's your computer time, that only it will display, it won't refer anything and all. Okay, that is the thing. So have it this is one of the question is asked, now function and the sysdate function, what is the difference between that? This is one of the prominent question. Definitely this question will be asked. You can write the same definition, it is very clearly they given. Okay, very exactly they given the or else if you refer your book also, somewhat good words also you may get it, good definitions also. That is, but the example is very nicely they given. That's what I'm coming to tell. Okay, so these are all the things, man. And next class onwards we completed the 3 functions, that is string functions, all the string functions, all the mathematical functions, and all the time and date, that is date and time functions also we completed in the SQL. Okay, next we are going to see about aggregate function in tomorrow class. Okay, tomorrow we will complete the sum, average, count, max, min, count all. That is count all means it will count function is different, count all function is different. Okay, it will consider the null, it will not consider the null. That is a thing. I will explain it. Okay, with the SQL prompt we will discuss all those things in the next class. And the next thing also, there is last thing, having grouping by order by we have seen, and 2 more classes also there, grouping by, order by, and dump function, MySQL dump. Like this many contents are there, one by one we will see it. Okay, tomorrow session we will discuss it, the rest of the things. Do you have any doubt in these things? Shaktivel, yeah, that's you are asking the
Yes,
class for evening, but what is the thing, till 4 o'clock I have in the class, man. After that only I have to submit the report. My thing also there, have to prepare that is I want to upload the video. Yesterday also you can see the video. I mean, I posted the today's summary at late only. Have you seen it? I think by 5 o'clock or 4 o'clock, 4:30 afterwards only I posted.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Because after that I want to just converting the video from the Zoom. I want to compress it. I want to upload it. Many things are there, man. That's what. Okay. I will try it. If it is possible, means I will inform it. Okay. I think my completing the work by 6 o'clock only. There is evening. After that only it is possible. See, that's what I allotted the time. For example, next week onwards till 6 o'clock I having the school work. 6 to 7 or whatever thing, the review work. I mean the project review. Okay. I didn't find this some time. I want to find some time. That's what. Okay. Very nice. Okay, I hope then you got the point today. That is what we discussed in the SQL functions. Okay. Okay. See you tomorrow. Okay. Okay, students. Thank you to all.